At dahil hapon na naman, magluluto na naman tayo ng hapunan. Ang lulutuin ko nga ang hapunan ay napakasarap na Bicol Express. So nagkikrave talaga ako. Nung nasa Pilipinas nagbabakasyon kami, nag-order talaga ako pag may Bicol Express. Paborito ko kasi ito. So maghihiwa muna tayo ng mga sangkap na gagamitin. Meron nga pala tayo yung sibuyas at saka bawang. Kakailanganin natin mag-chop ng ating luya. So yung iba hindi naglalagay ng luya. Ako gusto ko talaga na may luya yung Bicol Express. At of course, magcha-chop din tayo ng napakaraming, hindi pala napakarami no, 5 lang na chili. Alam niyo naman dito sa New Zealand, hindi tumutubog yung chili pag winter, kaya naman tipid-tipid din pag may time. So frozen chili nga pala ito binibenta sa mga supermarket. Maghihiwa din tayo ng karning baboy. Ito yung ating main sangkap na gagamitin sa ating pagluluto. Maglalagay lang ako ng konting oil at pagkatapos, isi-sear ko yung ating pork. So yung iba gusto ko yung parang tusta na tusta talaga yung baboy. Ako naman gusto ko lang yung medium na pagkaluto, hindi yung masyadong lutong-luto, prito na prito yung baboy. So ngayon i-add na natin yung ating sibuyas, chinap kanina of course. At i-add na rin natin yung ating bawang. Isa lang natin ito for few minutes at pagkatapos i-add na natin yung ating luya. Napakasimple lang gumawa ng Bicol Express. Kakailanganin mo lang talaga ng sangkap. Sisison ko nga pala ito ng salt at saka pepper. At pagkatapos, hahayan ko lang itong maluto for few minutes. At ngayon naman is mag-add ako ng ating bagoong. Nabili ko nga to sa isang Filipino shop. Dito lang naman malapit sa amin. So nag-add din pala ako ng coconut cream. At pagkatapos nag-add din ako ng konting tubig. So yung coconut cream natin is fresh from the can. So wala nang fresh from the coconut kasi wala namang coconut dito sa New Zealand. Hahayan lang natin itong mag-simmer for few minutes. At pagkatapos i-add na natin yung ating chili o yung ating sili para naman talaga maanghang yung ating Bicol Express ngayon. So alam niyo, paborito ko talaga yung spicy food curry at saka mga iba't ibang maanghang na pagkain. Love na love ko talaga. Pati na rin si Mister. Wala nga pala akong green chili. So red lang yung gagamitin natin tonight. Hindi siya colorful. You have fried rice for dinner, guys? My dear, I'm going to... Dad, I'm going to introduce you the delicious, yummy Bicol Express from Bicol, Philippines! Wow!
Oh, let me get it.
You try it, my dear. You said we don't like spicy Filipino, but this is the best. I think the spiciest. I don't know. Huh? It's just a coconut cream with chili.
Oh.
Coconut cream and pork. It's like curried pork.
I thought you didn't like coconut.
But this is spicy. Oh, Daddy loves it. Because this is very spicy and you're gonna ooh.
Can I have some of those?
Mm.
He loves spicy, but I have those.
You like it?
Don't get the chili.
Spicy, I said.
Yummy?
You have some fried rice with you guys. Fried rice.
All the bacon.
Pork fried rice. No, he's crying. Look at him. Don't do it to them, man. It's very spicy, Dad.
Too spicy?
You like spicy, but this one's too spicy, eh? Curry. Next time, Mommy's gonna make up curry.
Yeah, the curry.
Don't throw, huh? What do you want to do?
Let's throw it in the garbage.
Don't throw it in the garbage. That's Mommy's food. Why you gonna throw? Why?
I don't like it.
You don't like it? You don't like this?
I don't like it.
Huh?
It looks like egg.
Like a curried pork. That is it.
Wait, can I try? Egg pie.
Boy, stop stealing all the egg. Mouth.
Sorry, Mama, you're a demon. Demon chili. The chili. Mom, I'll taste some curry when I get.
Drink water. Good boy. So yun guys, napakasarap ng niluto ko na Bicol Express ngayon for dinner. Ako lang naman at si Mr. ang kumain, si Silas. Sinubukan niya. Kaya lang sobrang ahang talaga. Red chili kasi yung nilagay ko. Yung kambal naman is ayaw talaga ng mga ahang na foods. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Nagchichismis nga pala kami ni Mr. I hope nag-enjoy kayo at sa susunod naman na vlog. Bye!